Here's a commonly asked question we often get. Should I get a branded exhaust for my car or a fully custom exhaust? Well, I would say that really depends on the kind of car you've got. And if you've got something like this rather lovely Golf R, probably your best bet is a branded exhaust, something like a fabulous Miltech. Why? Because simply there are so many of them and they've made so many exhausts for this car. It's an off-the-shelf solution that works perfectly, particularly if you want a mail order exhaust or you want one that you can fit yourself. The other great thing about branded exhaust is there's a ton of tip options available. You might want to go for polished stainless or carbon fibre. Then you can have resonated, non-resonated, sports cat, catback. Really, for core tuner cars, the opportunities are endless. So another question we get is, will a branded exhaust system be too loud for my car? Well, in the nicest possible way, that's entirely up to you because you get to choose what's in it. So with a lot of systems, you can choose whether you have a sports cat, whether you have a center resonator. If you choose both those things, I would imagine it'd be pretty quiet. And also many of the systems these days come valved, meaning you can actually make the exhaust louder or quieter to keep your neighbors happy in the morning. Whatever brand of car you've got, whatever mark you've got, if you want it to be better, go to paramount-performance.com.